So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus, and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. This Uber driver said this: should you chase a $28 surge? Should you chase the surge? That is the question for today's video. Should you chase the surge? So what does that mean? Basically, let's say you're over here on this side of the town, but there's a $28 surge over there. Are you driving from here to there trying to chase that $28 surge? What do you think, Izzy?
No, I think it's a waste of time, but this person's already, like, it looks like they're on the way there.
They're chasing it. That's what they're doing. They're trying to get in that zone.
Oh, and they got it.
It popped up. They got it. Yeah. So
it worked out for them.
So usually when I'm driving for Uber, you know, some people say, what would Jesus do? For me, I like to ask myself, what would Ronnie SPE Tv do? Because he makes $2K a week and he's the best driver in the world for Uber. I mean, you've seen the interview, right? He makes over 100. He makes over what, 100 grand a year driving Uber.
Yeah.
I feel like we should have Ronnie SPE TV on call, like asking him for these interviews. Like, yo, should you chase?
Should we have a live stream with him?
Huh?
We should do a live stream with him.
I'm so down. That'd be hilarious. He would.
Yeah,
He would be like talking over the whole video. So yeah, but I mean, yeah, what would you do in that situation? Are you chasing that surge or are you letting it go? But this guy chased it. So comment below, would you chase this $28 surge? Because again, it's pretty good, but it is a gamble because you might not make it there in time. You're basically racing other drivers from all other directions to try to get that. And whoever gets there first is going to get that ride, guys. And guess what? As soon as all the drivers arrive there, now the whole supply and demand has changed. So Uber doesn't need to do the $20 surge anymore.
Oh.
Yeah, because once you get there, they're not like, they put this here to try to entice drivers to get to that area because there's a lot of rides there. Same thing with these $8 ones. You might want to go to the $8 one instead because, you know, drivers are probably going to try to just go straight to the 28. But yeah,
interesting.
Those are surge bonuses. We got 12 comments here. Someone said, nice, smiley, heck yeah, congrats, LOL, nice. I cannot understand the outlets and Costco, but that $28 surge is not near them. Weird. Very weird, which is why I turned around and went for it. Ha! This looked like a fake surge to me. And I bet the next trip that he got, Uber will lost money for that trip. LOL, not fake. Can Uber fake surges? I think people just think they're fake because, like I said before, you know, once a bunch of drivers get there, they get rid of it.
Maybe he thinks that they faked the screenshot.
No. That's so difficult you can't Photoshop like that good. Edward Jackson says, I wouldn't. It could be gone by the time you get there. Yeah, so he's the same thing. I only text back at a traffic light. Yeah, guys, even texting at a traffic light, you can get a ticket for that.
Yeah, that's still dangerous.
It's still illegal, just as illegal as driving and texting.
Yeah.
Because what happens when their light's green and then you're, I'm texting, blah, 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 blah. And then somebody's flying down the road because, you know, when you know those people who like, they time the lights so they just drive, it's red, but they're flying through. waiting for it to turn green. And so you're sitting there stopped while it's a green light and some dude's flying hits you.
Oh.
Yeah. That's why, or somebody turns into you, you know, blah, 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 blah.
There's all these risks involved.
Just don't use your phone while you drive. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.